Welcome to Shipping Solutions Export Documentation and Compliance Software. The Shipping Solutions Professional Data Exchange Manager, or DXM, allows you to import orders from your accounting or ERP system into Shipping Solutions. This video explains the 3 methods you can use to run the DXM. Before you can run the DXM, you will need to set up your project. Projects can use either text files, an XML file, or an ODBC connection. For information on how to set up your DXM project, watch the other Data Exchange Manager videos in this series. Once you have set up your DXM project, you can choose which of the 3 methods you want to use to run the DXM, with a script, using a Windows service, or manually from within the software. All 3 project types can be run manually from within Shipping Solutions, but the text and XML file options can also be run using a script or Windows service. Let's look at each method a little more closely. The first method is to write a script that calls the dxmrun.exe program, which initiates the import process. This allows you to import orders from your accounting or ERP system without any user intervention. This method can only be used if your DXM project uses text or XML files, and the script can be the same script that creates those files. More information about this method can be found in the Shipping Solutions User Guide. The second way to run the DXM is with a Windows service that runs continuously, checking a specified folder at specified time intervals for any files that are ready for processing. This method can only be used if your DXM project uses text or XML files. To start the Windows service, open the Setup program. Specify your project name, how often you want the service to run, and which user account should be used to run the service. When you complete this setup wizard, the service will be running. See the Shipping Solutions User Guide for more information and for the path to the Windows Service Setup program. The third way to run the DXM is from within the Shipping Solutions software. So let's take a look. Click the Tools tab and then click Run Data Exchange Manager. Select a project, and we're going to do an XML project. The top box will tell you if you have files ready to process. The bottom box will show you information about your project, such as where your XML file is located and where it will be copied to after it is processed. If you have a folder-based project, you can check this box to process all the files in the folder at one time. Click Run. The processing will show up in the bottom box, and when it is done, it will tell you that a record has been inserted, and it shows you the shipment number or numbers. I have inserted 2 shipments. We can then go to the Easy Start screen to see the imported data. Click Find. Your imported shipments will be shown at the top of the list because they are the newest shipments. If your DXM project uses an ODBC connection, this third method is the only method you can use to run the DXM. So let's try an ODBC project. So we'll go back to the Tools tab, Run Data Exchange Manager. Then I'm going to select my ODBC project, and then I need to enter my lookup ID. The lookup ID is a field such as invoice number or order number. It specifies which order you want to import into Shipping Solutions. When you set up your ODBC project, you will specify which field is used as the lookup ID. Click Run. Just like with a text or XML project, the processing will show up in the bottom box, and you will find the imported shipment at the top of the list on the Easy Start screen. For more information, watch the other Data Exchange Manager videos or give us a call at 888-890-7447. Thank you for watching.